college who are responsible for the creation of this fulfilling platform. Dr. P. Chinnadare, MA PhD, Secretary and Correspondent of Panimal Institute of Technology. Our directors, Vijay Rajeshwari and Sakti Kumar ME and Mrs. Saranya Sri Sakti Kumar BE. I take pleasure in also inviting our principal, Dr. T. Jayanti, who has been great source of inspiration to us. I extend my pleasure in welcome our speaker of the section, Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan, Principal, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Chennai. They say gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom, and sharing it is in the first step to humanity. Knowledge has no value until it's used or shared. True power is gained by sharing knowledge, not by hoarding it. Actually, you are not just helping others, but yourselves too. They say knowledge increases by sharing, it's not saving. You know what? I say there are 5 steps to make this work. Listen, be quiet and attentive, preserve it, practice, and finally spread the knowledge you gain. To do this, we have the most intellectual resource person waiting to serve us with their knowledge for the next 5 days. I extend my heartfelt welcome to all the participants who join us for the AICTE Atal Academy FDP and Medical Image Processing and Deep Learning Technologies.
Thank you, dignitaries. So good morning, one and all. So now I'd like to introduce our session eminent speaker, Professor Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan, who is serving as the principal of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Sri Perumbudur, Chennai. So Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan sir has completed his PhD in Development and Performance Evaluation of Processing Techniques of Automatic Karyotyping from Anna University, Chennai. Has completed his ME in Mechatronics from Madras Institute of Technology and MS Electronics and Control from BITS Pilani. So Professor Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan has 30 years of teaching experience and very rich research experience. Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan has guided and is guiding several research scholars for their doctoral PhD programs and has published several research papers in highly reputed journals and international conferences. So Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan has been invited to deliver talks at various reputed institutions around the globe. Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan is an eminent researcher and is an academician and who is serving in the field of engineering for the past around 30 years. And sir has also organized several workshops, short-term training programs, faculty development program conferences sponsored from AICTE, DST, and also other organizations. With this high profile, I request Professor Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan to take over the session, sir. Sir, please, can you take over the session, sir? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the kind introduction. Respected management, principal, the head of the department, and the organizers of this Atal FDP program on medical imaging and deep learning for gathering here to listen to my speech. I'll just load my presentation. I would like the coordinators to please tell me if the presentation comes on the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll tell you, sir. Once again, sir.
Sir, may I have a check, please, whether the presentation has come on the screen?
Yes, sir. Presentation is visible, sir. You can kindly go ahead, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. So again, the topic that I have chosen for the day is imaging and deep learning in healthcare. In fact, the topic of the FDP is medical imaging and deep learning. So I also chosen to give a briefing about the same topic. So to start with, I would like to tell you that, there is a paradigm shift in the healthcare field. What is it? That is nothing but, the introduction of AI. Because traditionally healthcare has been provided only by, humans. That is through natural intelligence and not through artificial intelligence. Whereas we are in an era where we find that computers are playing a major role. That is by providing artificial intelligence, right? Which is certainly advantageous in many ways, and also to some extent a little disadvantageous as well, right? We will finally see what are the demerits also. So, but no one can refute the fact that AI in healthcare is a paradigm shift. Whereas we can understand that AI can very well go into industrial automation, or it can get into making our life better, right? Most of us even use now Alexa and the Google and all to get our suggestions to get the optimal route.
For the demand of we students, you are dynamically working with our demands. Whatever we say, you immediately do the things. You provide the material, or you provide the Google Classroom, or whatever we want. You are always ready to support the thing. That is very good. And one more very excellent thing about this FDP is all the speakers were very good. They have delivered that knowledge very good. So you can say I am only saying the good things about your FDP and nothing bad. Really, I did not find anything bad. Really, I am saying you. I didn't find anything bad other than sometimes the voice was some problem because of network or whatever issue. And one more is, we can say that Zoom problem for some coding was there. Other than that, I could not find any problem in your FDP. It was really excellent. The timing or everything, schedule, that was really very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable feedback. I request some other participants also to share your feedback with us, then we can go for the photo session.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible. You can proceed, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is Jayashree Taylor from Uka-Talsadia University, Gujarat. Focusing upon the knowledge gaining part of this particular FTP. Definitely, sir, you had a good gem of resource person, and deep learning, which is now the trend of the field of maybe research or even the education. You have so in a very easy manner it has been conveyed to the faculties. This has not only helped, this will not only help to the teachers of who are in this domain of digital image processing or dealing with medical images, but I would rather say that this has enhanced the research scholars and the confidence of those guides who are guiding in this particular domain. The questions were very precisely and to the point specifically answered, and that was really justified as to maybe it could be any type of the learning networks. And though it was related to healthcare or medical images, but you have also touched the horizons of, natural language processing, or participants have questioned you on satellite images or any other part. So that was really knowledgeful and instrumental. Thanks a lot for this particular beautiful 5 days learning. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Any other feedback? And one final feedback we can take.
I am Dr. Nandini,
Yeah, ma'am.
Associate Professor of Computer Science Department from Pondicherry University, sir. First, I should thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this program, sir. Thank you, the organizers. Next to the organizing committee, I should thank our coordinator who is on picture, who is on contact with us, Mr. Arun. So I have to say a few words about you. So I learned how to organize, how to interact with the people, that is, though they are faculty or students, whomever it is, without minding about your time, how many hours you are working for a day continuously. You have given, even for Kitaling also, you have given n number of times the same questions students are raising and we are all raising, but still you have given that reply for all. So no chance. That wonderful you have organized. I think that is the reason why we all active from the day 1 to the last days. Sorry, sir. So I should thank being the part of this program. Next to that coordinator, that speakers. So here from the that is all days, everyone has given to their best. So no comments about you have given in the feedback 2 things, which is the best, which is the least. We cannot find out what to given for the least point in that in all the presentation. So collectively, though with the motive of entering to know about the medical image details on deep learning, collectively from the scratch to the level of implementation and to the level of research, we have learned so many things in deep learning. Even today, he has given that is lying knowledge, that is wonderful knowledge on how it could be applied on different applications. So there we are getting all these details on deep learning, sir. So really thanks for one and all taking part of this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. Dear participants, before going to the photo shoot, I will also give the Atal FDP procedure. We will start the quiz by.
Yes, Papa.
We will start the quiz by 2:30, and the procedure for the quizzes you will be given with 50 questions, 2 marks each, 100 marks will be there. And for eligibility criteria for the certificate is attendance should be 80%, test marks is 60%, and filling the feedback at Atal portal is also mandatory. Certificate will be auto-generated in the portal. You can download it if you satisfy all the above criteria. It will take minimum of 24 hours for the web portal to do all the process. So please do wait till the 24 hours. Once we have we should upload the test marks and attendance. We will be doing it by today 6 p.m. Once you have all complete your test, we will be uploading the test mark as well as attendance in the web portal. And I also request you to fill the feedback form by your login, which is available in the Atal portal. Please do log in to your Atal portal and give the feedback about the FDP.